Hello everybody, this is Count Victoria, Minecraft Epic Friends from YouTube. This is gonna be solo now, it's not gonna be no Farhad. We'll do like other maps, but it's gonna be me alone for a little while, and we're gonna need text about Minecraft for kids. Yeah, and oh, what the? I think, yeah, so I'll do maps later, but I'm doing this map called, yeah? Yeah, I'll do it in a sec. Yeah, this is, this is, Try Mountain Survival, and I'm at this mountain right now. This place is huge, and I mean huge. If I can climb up this, and I'll show you guys. It's really laggy because this map was like a lot, like pretty cool. It took a lot of memory in my laptop, and it's gonna be quite laggy. Let's click at the top. Put that down. Put that down. Yeah, and yeah, this is actually our first map I'm doing without Farhad on. Yeah, actually is okay. Yeah, without Farhad, flipping Farhad, yeah, so it's gonna be fun. So it's not top of the mountain. Okay, yeah, we're technically at the top of the mountain, and this place is huge, and this is cool. And as you can see, I got single player commands, and the thing I found really cool about this was like, look what it does. If I type cannon, it fires TNT out. It's really cool. So I really like that. Yeah, so that's the top of the mountain, and right there we've got a little pond. It was really nice when I first saw it, but let me see. Okay, down. Oh wait. Jump down there. Okay. Yeah, so this is called Try Mountain Survival, and stupid pigs, I don't damage, get that one. Okay, so yeah, this is just basically the area, so I'm gonna get some wood first. Let's get some wood up on this thing right here. I like this section. Oh. Cookie monster! Wish I had some cookies. Oh, what? Did you see that? Or was it just me? Oh, yes. Get out of here. Ooh! That. Oh! Throw out in. No, throw that as well. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys the map. I'm at a giant circle here. I'm gonna be going to some of the mountains. I'm gonna be going to all of them. So yeah, this was the first one. Let's start now. Let's make ourselves sword. Whoa, look at the sword. And I'm actually, it's just my cousin, sorry, I don't know what happens. I really should turn this enough, but I'm waiting for someone to come online. I'm starting this recording, so. Give me your meats, piggies. Give me your wood. Oh, whoa. Oh. God, this is just chaos. Giving me anything. The spawn right on this, like, thing. Oh, there's a spawn. Oh, no wonder. I don't want to break the thing in case mine was like, come back. I'm hungry as well. No reflection on like that. Get this thing here. Get some color cam as well. Oh, I did have that. Oh, I didn't have it. Yeah. And I got... Oh, stupid pig. I'm gonna come up there and kill you. I get foul. Yeah, just like do a mix. Oh, what? Oh. Okay, sorry. Hold on. Sorry guys, it's just my mom. I'm gonna be going out to a party tonight and we're getting late, so it's gonna be a bit of a rush. Got one piece. Ooh, when did I get the same? And get some more trees at the top. Oh, go! We gotta go. Ooh, see. Sabe. I like clouds. This thing. I want that tree. Oh my god. I got it. I need to wood. Oh, what's that? Boom, pow. Ooh, what is this? I'm not gonna reach up there. Done. Okay. I'm gonna make some torches while I'm at it. I'm gonna end the recording here, guys. like, comment, and subscribe, and check out Farhad's new playthrough on Skyrim, which will be coming out in a few days, and so I hope you enjoy that. See ya.